I'm here in Mexico City right now, and if you are an independent traveler, if you just want to like go off on your own, or if you want to just take a tour, you've got a couple options. You have guides that are walking around, especially in the Zocalo in front of the major cathedral in the plaza. And of course, you can take one of their walking tours if you want. You can take, as in many cities have, the hop-on, hop-off buses, and this is where it meets. If you are in the Zocalo and you're looking at the church, to the left of the church, the big cathedral, you'll see in the corner this the bus that's coming in right now. So take a look over here, and they have these hop-on, hop-off buses, and basically it takes you just through the city, and so you can get on, get off, wait for the next bus, and they just keep circulating. So that's one option. The third option, the first option is the people that do the walking tour. Second option, the hop-on, hop-off bus. And then you also have this private company here. In fact, the gentleman who owns it is right here. This is Antonio. And he has these vans. You can get a brochure where he can take you to other areas like to Pueblo, to Teotihuacan, the big archaeological ruin site, to Xochimilco, and to Coyoacan, that area where Frida Kahlo's house is. They're pretty good prices. You can make a reservation. They have about 20 vans. So when one leaves, another one comes and waits till they get enough people, or you can make a reservation if you have a small group. They might just take off with you. But you can talk with him. They do have English-speaking guides and Antonio's tour. Those are just 3 options here in Mexico City. Adventure on, my friends.